This is the native app you can use on your Android or iPhone to control the leak defense system remotely anywhere in the world. If you're on a computer, you can use the web app on catchleak.com, but you can find this native app in the App Store or Google Play Store listed as Leak Defense System. Before you start, make sure your control panel is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you need help, we have a video walkthrough for that. Registration. If you've purchased and installed a system but don't yet have an account for web access, you can click the link that says Register as a new user. You can find the same link on catchleak.com. Just fill out the information and use the device ID listed in your Quick Start guide or on the status screen on your control panel. You can click Menu, Advanced, Status, and you will see it in the top left corner. This main screen will show you all the systems registered and added to your account. You can use this as an overview to see if there's any issues at a glance. You can tap on one of the systems to view more details and to access controls. You can view your current water usage with this flow arc. You can turn your water on or off with the valve control here. You can change the scene your system is in and change more panel settings like the trip rate and time to alarm if you want to adjust how sensitive your system is. Scene scheduling. You can set up your device to automatically change scenes at certain times with scene scheduling. This is useful, for example, if you want your system to switch to away mode while you're at work, or if you want more relaxed time parameters during periods of scheduled water usage like pool cleaning. To access scene scheduling, just tap a device, tap the schedules icon, fill out your default settings if you haven't used this feature yet, then you can start creating schedules. There are info pop-ups that describe things in more detail if you need help. I'll just set up a sample schedule for if I want my system to go into away while I'm at work. You can also copy schedules between devices through the Import button. Just select the device you want to import from, then select the schedule you want to import. Now, when we have multiple schedules running during the same times, it'll give you a warning and tell you that whichever is newer or most recently updated will take precedence. You can see a visual representation of this if you go into the agenda view. Whichever is on top gets precedence. To change which is on top, just edit and save a schedule. The most recently created or edited will be on top. In this example, my pool cleaning schedule would not run because there is a conflict and it doesn't have priority. This can be useful to temporarily override a schedule. In this case, I do want the pool cleaning schedule to run, so I'll just update it. Now you can see it's on top, so it will run, and then go back to the schedule below it when it ends. If you want to check upcoming schedules for certain days, you can use the arrows or the calendar view. POLDs. If you'd like to name your point of leak detectors, you can click Add POLD, enter the number found on the sticker on the back of your POLD, and then give it a name like laundry room. This will help you identify the source of any potential alarms when you view them through the app. Shared users. If you'd like to allow other users to monitor and control your system, you can add them by clicking the Share button. Enter their email address, and if they already have an account, your devices will show up on theirs. If they do not yet have an account, they will have to follow the steps in an email they received to set up their account. Adding additional systems. If, for example, you're a property manager and have purchased an additional system, you can click Add on the bottom and enter the device ID located on your Quick Start guide or on the status page on the control panel.